Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the QQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 29, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 4.42. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 7.91%. This means it has delivered an average return of 0.49% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is situated in the upper part of a strong and narrow rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as the price may react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the top trend line at $431.41 is broken, it could indicate a stronger rate of ascent. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 15.48% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.98% to 16.36%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 33.67% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 16.13% to 39.23%. This translates to a price range of $497.23 to $596.13 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ brings exciting news. The QQQ ETF price ended at $428.15 on Monday, marking a gain of 1.02%. Let's dive deeper into the details. On the last trading day, which was Monday, January 29, 2024, the QQQ ETF price started at $423.81 and closed at $428.15, showing a solid increase of 1.02%. Throughout the day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $423.62 and a high of $428.35, showcasing a 1.12% range. Impressively, the price has shown an upward trend in 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by a remarkable 4.54% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also seen an increase, signaling positive market sentiment. In fact, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, totaling 38 million shares bought and sold for approximately $16.28 billion. Let's take a broader look at the ETF's performance. Over the past 52 weeks, the QQQ ETF reached its highest price at $429.85 and its lowest price at $285.19. Currently, the price is 0.4% or $1.70 below the 52-week high, which stands at $429.85. This is not only the highest point in the past year but also the all-time high for the ETF. Today, let's take a look at the signals for QQQ. We can see mostly positive signals in the chart today. The QQQ ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there is expected support from the lines at $424.36 and $408.58. If the stock breaks down below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 4, 2024, and so far it has risen 8.04%. This suggests that there may be a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, it's a buy signal. Pivots, the buy signal occurred 17 days ago. Bollinger, the buy signal occurred 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, the sell signal occurred 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, the sell signal occurred 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 57 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe. Short moving average, the buy signal occurred 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, the buy signal occurred 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 46 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ, an exchange-traded fund, has a strong support level at $421.18. This means that when the price reaches this level, it tends to bounce back up. So, if you're looking to buy, this could be a good opportunity to consider. The QQQ ETF is known for its high trading volume, which means there is typically enough liquidity for buying and selling. Additionally, the daily price fluctuations are relatively small, indicating a lower level of risk. In the past day, the ETF's price moved between its high and low by $4.73, which is equivalent to a 1.12% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 0.97%. Before we discuss the good trading levels for QQQ, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may suggest a lower expectation for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for QQQ. When analyzing the stock, we notice that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could make a swift upward move. In such cases, it's advisable to enter a position and use volume as a determining factor for your exit strategy. However, it's important to consider the downside as well. QQQ encounters its first support level at $421.18. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, anticipating a rebound in the stock's price. For this ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $408.21, representing a decrease of 4.66%. This ETF typically experiences low daily movements, which corresponds to a lower level of risk. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 is currently at 85, indicating a substantial increase in risk. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 16 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that the current level of the QQQ ETF may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Tuesday, January 30th, we expect the QQQ ETF to open down -$1.44 and start trading at $426.71. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with an in-depth analysis of the current stock market. Today, we're discussing the stock and we want to hear your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree with our view? Comment below and share your valuable insights. We value your opinion. Now, let's talk about the ETF and set a target. What is your prediction for its performance? We're excited to hear your predictions and engage in meaningful discussions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay up to date with the latest market trends and receive valuable insights that can help you make informed investment decisions. Thank you for joining us today. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. From all of us at Stock Invest, take care and happy investing.